Good morning, everyone. It's Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle. And I am so excited for today because I'm going to tell you about my new book that's going to be releasing probably in 2 days from now on Amazon. I'm so excited because this is the book that literally I've been writing my whole life. This is called SelfSufficient Living, and it is a compilation of everything you need to know to be able to become independent, or undependent is what I like to call it, to be able to really provide for yourself and provide the security that you need to know that you're going to be fine no matter what the world throws at us. And as we've definitely all experienced in the last year, there's a lot the world could throw at us. So I am actually starting my book tour. And the first thing that I'm doing is visiting a whole bunch of self-sufficient farms all through the Pacific Northwest. My first stop is today here at a farm called Almost a Farm. I love the name, Almost a Farm in Cove, Oregon. It's by a couple of wonderful, hardworking women who are working to provide for themselves. They have chickens, they have an orchard, a greenhouse, they have bees, and they have some wonderful purebred Nigerian dwarf goats that provide amazing milk that has a really high butterfat content. They say they make ice cream. And I said, how do you make ice cream? I can never make ice cream with my goat milk. And they said that these goats have delicious cream-filled milk. So I'm here interviewing them and learning about what they do and helping to support their efforts as well. So I'm going to tell you more about them. Watch for more. We'll have a whole video about the goats and holding the goats and feeding the goats and all sorts of fun things. But watch every day between now and the book launch. We're going to be talking about self-sufficient living. The book launch is in April. I'm going to give you all the dates and all the information you need to know. It's a free event where we kick off everything. Also watch for early pre-release specials on my book, which should be coming very soon. So this again is Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I am so excited to be on Almost a Farm in Cove, Oregon today, and on my book tour all the way through the Pacific Northwest. Catch me, find out about these wonderful farms, what they have to offer, and how you can support them as well. Have a fabulous day.